Hello everyone! The China International Supply Chain Expo has announced that they will be introducing the AI zone for the very first time, which is super exciting for me because my background is in AI. And I am here today to show you how AI is being used in the remote, distant areas of China, not just these mega cities like Beijing, Shanghai, but here I am in Urumqi, Xinjiang. So when I first came to Urumqi a year and a half ago, there was so much paperwork and so many forms to fill out. However, when I renewed my visa a couple months ago, well, AI had been implemented into it. So it was much quicker and much more efficient. This is a place where I often came to when I was a student, the Xinjiang Library, a very large one indeed, backed by data analytics and artificial intelligence. So when you enter this library, you can see a huge data analytics dashboard which analyzes how many people have come in, how many people have rented books, and there's all sorts of information on the most popular books in this library. And we now come to where the AI all gets put together. I am at the Xinjiang Software Park. This is where you find the data centers, this is where you find the cloud hubs, this is where you find all of the AI companies. And even inside one of the buildings here of this software park, you can see a lot of the AI on display. These are the AI-powered robotic sweepers, which they will use to clean the floors everywhere. And it's important to know that Xinjiang, they are not copying other places in China. They need to have their own localized AI system. You look at the geography and the terrain of this area, it's far different from the rest of China. And also the cities, the distance between them is far greater than the rest of China. So AI needs to be locally created. We now come to one of the coolest AI applications for me personally, because my PhD was in medical AI. This is one hospital here behind me, and this is affiliated with the Xinjiang Medical University. So something that is really interesting is that the students will develop the AI models, and those models will be deployed inside these hospitals. When you walk in, there are dozens of these AI machines which can generate health reports for you and do all sorts of services. And then for the doctors, they can use the AI to analyze the medical images instantly. These AI models, they might not be the flashiest and most expensive, but they genuinely affect daily life. They can improve information flow, they can generate reports, and they can help senior and junior doctors to make things much quicker and better. And for our last destination, maybe the most important area, let me show you. This is the Urumqi International Land Port Area. This is a very international area because this is connecting Xinjiang, Urumqi to the rest of Europe. They have built railways from Urumqi all the way into Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, and that can go all the way through to Europe. So all around here you can see so many lorries and cargo. They're all going to be sent to Central Asia. As AI is all about optimization and prediction, this is the perfect place for it. You need to know which containers should go first, which containers should match with others, which routes should be taken. You're using optimization algorithms here, and that will save you time and money. So in the last year, this place behind me, this land port, uses a lot of AI models. And so it's quite interesting to think, 2,000 years ago, where I am standing now on the old Silk Road, you would have used camels for trade. But today we are using AI. And that is how Urumqi is not just helping the people of Urumqi and Xinjiang, but also people around the world using the latest AI. That is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.